Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys hidden features on the screenshot feature that you may not know on your iPhone. So I'm just going to screenshot this for a bit. Select the screenshot. Then you can select the marker here. You can choose the color here as well. If I can just press on it, there we go. I'll just choose pink. I like pink. And if I drew a heart shape and pressed on it, it's going to create this neat heart shape, as well as a circle, a star, I think a square as well. Then you can also zoom in. So press the plus button here. Select the magnifier. And as you can see, you can even magnify it a lot and make the circle smaller or bigger, like so. Then you can also add in text. You can add in a description on it. You can add in your signature, etc., etc. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!